speechless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you, right next to you, to you, next to you.
So here's an overview of the Ikea Pax closet and what it looks like in my bedroom. It is pretty big, however, I thought it was gonna take more space than it actually did, so I'm quite happy about that. So let me move to this side here so I can show you guys what I have on the top. So on the top shelf, like all the way to the top, I do have these like two pink baskets that just hold like things that I've received as PR, and I haven't gotten a chance to like review them, so I just keep them up there. So yeah, I have those two boxes there, and then I have this like Louis Vuitton box. I have this really cute sign that says Dream, and I got that like years ago. It was actually blue and I painted it pink. And moving on to this side, I have a Gucci box, and then I also have like some lipsticks that are just basically for just like display. I don't really use them. And then I also have that like little pink trinket box that is super cute. And I did get one of these what are these called, like those clothing racks, and I only got a small one just because I really didn't want to put like too much clothes in here. I just wanted like the, you know, things I want to display. So I do have like a bunch of like shirts, and I do use all of these, so they're just like some of my favorite ones. And then I have these like really pretty sequin dresses that I love. So I have this like pink suede jacket, that's one of my favorite ones. I have a bunch of pink, I just like love pink. And most of these clothes are from, well, these are from like Amazon, but then like everything else is basically from Express. I love shopping at Express. I think Express has like awesome clothes. So I ended up putting that one there, and then on the bottom here I did add a shelf, and then I just have these like shoes. These are Michael Kors, and I love them. Then I also have these adorable sandals that I wore these like all summer long. Got so many compliments. They have like really adorable pearls. By the way, I'm gonna list everything that I'm mentioning in the video. And then down here I have some more shoes. I have these like flats, and then also in the back, and then I have these like pair of booties that are my favorite. And then I did add like one of these to add jeans. They're actually all the way in the back, but I did like add this because I do have like some jeans, and I thought that was great because you can actually like double up. So moving up to the other part, I have this cute little box that I got a couple years ago from Too Faced. I also have another Louis Vuitton box that I got from, I believe it's got like a wristlet or a wallet. And then I have another purse here from Coach. I have like some purses in the back. And then I have this one here that I recently got. I got this for Christmas, and it's adorable. It's a Coach one, and I got it from my husband. But I love the detailing on this purse. It's so, so pretty. I also love that it has this like chain strap. It just gives it like a Chanel look. So love that. And then I also have like my favorite purse here. This one is the Damier Azur from Louis Vuitton. And then all the way in the back, I do have my Louis Vuitton Neverfull, which I haven't been using, so I just keep it in the back. And then I also have this like carry-all from Michael Kors, and then another of my favorite purses from Coach. And down here, this part right here, I just ended up kind of adding, you know, a little bit of everything that I love to display. And I'm thinking on adding another shelf, just like a little one, but I don't know, I might just keep it like that. So over here I have this adorable picture frame. This one here I got from Hobby Lobby, and they just recently opened one in my area, so I was so excited, you guys. I love that store. I think that's like my new obsession. I also have this little trinket hand, and it has like my favorite like necklace and earrings. And then look at this like adorable little snow globe with a llama in it. Super cute. And over here I just like have these really nice flowers. These I got from Home Goods. And then I have my favorite earrings. I've literally had these earrings for about 10 years and I still love them. I also have these two books. One is from Chanel, the other one's from Bobbi Brown. And then look at this adorable little macaroon. I actually got this also from Hobby Lobby, but isn't this like so adorable? And here I just put like my little pearl earrings and just like little things that I don't want to get lost. I also have this little perfume there. And then I have this picture frame, which I actually have to get a picture for. I sent out like a picture of my kids to display there, so I have to pick it up. And then over here I have this really pretty tray. I also got this from Hobby Lobby, and isn't it just so pretty? Here I just have my two current perfumes that I am using. I do have like tons more, but these are like the ones that I just like to display here. And then I have my Coach bangle bracelet that I got from my sister. A picture of my kids. So over here I decided to add one of these pull-out trays, and you guys, this is like the best thing ever. So I just have like basically random stuff. I have this clutch from Giorgio Armani, and then I have like a wallet here, something from Pandora, and then look at this adorable bookmark. It's so cute. It actually matches one of my mugs that I have. I have some glasses there, some Ray-Bans, and then moving on to the side I have this Michael Kors wallet. I have this little fur pom-pom that I sometimes attach to my Neverfull. And then I also have this little pink wallet to go with it. Over here I have some Coach stuff. I have two of my favorite sunglasses. This one's Ray-Bans and this one is Quay Australia. Over here I have these super pretty earrings. These are from Kate and Chloe and they are adorable. And then I have this necklace, which I really don't use, but I think it's so pretty. I only used it like a couple times for an outfit, but I love that necklace. I also have this little trinket box from Pandora where I have like my Pandora link bracelet. And then over here, I just have like a couple of my favorite jewelry pieces. These here, like I use a lot. These are like one of my favorite ones. They're super dainty. They're like little hoops and they have this tiny little crystal dangling from them. But I absolutely love these. I got these from Nordstrom. I also got these from Nordstrom. And these I don't remember, but love those. And then over here I have some of my favorite hair clips. I have these like pearl ones. And then these over here, which are also really pretty. And then I also have this one that I got like a long time ago. I don't even remember where I got those from. Over here I have a couple more of my favorite hair clips. I got this one a few months ago and I love it, you guys. I've gotten so many compliments. Totally love it. And then I also have these like little hairpins and these bubble bar earrings. Over here I have this, the Neo Noe strap from Louis Vuitton that I just like to store there. I also have this Damier Azur, is it Damier Azur? Yes, Damier Azur belt from Louis Vuitton, which I ended up getting, and guess what? It was like a little bit too small, the smallest size, so I haven't been using it, unfortunately. I also have my favorite belt. This belt I use all the time. It's my Gucci belt. And I think I'm going to be getting like the light brown one because I use it so much. So that is on this drawer. So on the bottom of this, I do have 3 drawers. I have one with the clear glass. And here I just normally keep like all my jammies, like all my pajamas and my robe and a scarf right there. We're not gonna go into detail with all that, but, and then on the bottom here, I just have like my leggings, and these leggings like I use all the time, so I like to keep them here. And then over here I have these like skirts that I don't want them to get wrinkled, so that's why I put them here. They're like the full leather skirts that I also got from Express. And then the bottom here has like nothing yet because I'm still, oh, there's a doll there. I'm still trying to like organize this part here. So that is the whole wardrobe. So let me show you over here, since this is not part of the wardrobe, but it's like right next to it. I do have this little dress form that my mom got for me like 5 years ago, and I love it. And then I have some flowers there. And here I have like some more of my favorite perfumes and that little seahorse trinket box. So that was it for my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and found it inspirational. I would honestly recommend this Ikea Pax closet. It is amazing, and you can literally like customize everything. You can move the shelves, you can like customize the drawers, every little thing. So I am quite happy with it. And overall it looks so much better than it did before. Before it was just kind of like scattered everywhere. So I am so happy with this, you guys. I'm going to also be leaving some blog posts in my blog at FABIOLAGBEAUTY, so make sure you check it out as well, with all the links to like everything that I mentioned in the video, in case you are wondering where to get them. But you guys, this is like the best thing ever. So I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your afternoon. Bye.